Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to the project. Now, we all know what's going on with this pandemic, and one popular thing that is going on right now is wearing face masks. The problem with wearing face masks for a long period of time is the strain that it puts on your ears. Glowforge released a free design to help solve that problem of putting that strain on your ears, and they are called ear savers. This is a picture of what it looks like. So I've been having these scrap pieces of acrylic for the longest, and something has been telling me not to just throw it away. That's why you should always listen to your instincts. So I'm gonna use my scrap pieces of acrylic to make some ear savers. I have the first round of ear savers loaded into the Glowforge. I got some really crazy, interesting scrap pieces, as you can see. So I decided not to go with the scoring part where it says free reorder at glowforge.com so I can get more done faster. I'm just gonna cut it out, and I decided to go with the medium black acrylic settings, and the cut is proof grade, and these are the settings right here. Speed 150, full power. They came out really good, a lot of different colors. I must say that this frost color right here is probably my favorite color out of all of these ones so far, but it's always going to be competing with the black acrylic. I just love the way black acrylic look. In the comments right now, let me know which one is your favorite color. And there you have it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project.